Hello, good morning. In our geography session for standard 12th, we discuss in this video the chapter 6th, Introduction of Territory Economic Activity. Almost we observe in our surrounding area there are different types of activities. In a chapter 4th we discuss the primary sector activities, and chapter 5th we also discuss the secondary sector and its activities. Almost in primary sector we discuss about the agriculture, hunting, fishing, forest material gathering and lumbering and etc. In secondary sector, secondary economic activity, we also observe there is a industries, means the processing is the important activity which occur in a secondary sector. There are several industries which are based on the primary sector and their raw material. For example, mineral is important for the mineral based industries like steel and iron produced from the iron ore. Then agricultural raw material, which is the primary occupation sector activity, that raw material is supportive for the food processing industries, as well as sugar cane we use as a raw material in sugar industry. So in this way primary and secondary sector are attached with each other, depend on each other. Same is there the territory sector. The territory sector is also supportive for the primary activity and secondary activity. In a territory sector there is a transportation, trade, communication and other activities, service activities are important in territory sector. Primary sector, almost, for example, we can take one example, gathering of raw material is there. In secondary activities, we adding the value of that raw material. There is, for example, auto manufacturing is there. Otherwise, the forest material gathering and the products which are depend on that forest material. For example, honey is a forest material. We filter and pack that honey is a secondary type of activity. Process is there on that honey. So, and then third, territory activities, it's providing the business or professional services, doctor, teacher, then shopkeeper, salesman. These are important in a territory economic activities. Then one more activity is there, that is a quaternary activities. It is related with the providing information, management and research by the highly trained persons. For example, scientists are included in a quaternary activities. Then judge, who also gives the judgment, it is also part of quaternary activity. Now there is a correlation in between these activities, and also we can say there is a components of economic activity. First, production is there, then distribution is there, and at the end consumption is there. For the consumption, distribution is most important. Production is available, but if the distributor is not there, at that time the consumption is not possible. So territory economic activity is also play and role of the distributors. Territory activity consists of all service and occupations. Transport, communication, trade, health, education and administration are important examples of territory activity. These territory activities help in the development of primary and secondary sector. So these services are also known as a support service, because it is act as a supportive for the both primary and secondary economic activities. We can also classify this territory sector in a 4 subtype. There is a first, trade and commerce is there. Then transportation is there. Third, communication, and last other services. In a trade and commerce, the trade and commerce is again divided into the 2 subparts, wholesaler trade and retail trade. Retail trade is also related with the rural as well as in urban centers. In a rural center, it is the provide periodic market is there, weekly market आपण ज्याला म्हणतो. Then stores are there, street and padding as well as public distribution is there. Public distribution system, it is also known as a PDS. The person who is sell that thing from one place to another, from one house to another, it is also practiced in a rural area as well as in urban area too. Then in urban center, the trade is also developed through the chain store, then shops and public distribution system. Same PDS is also there. Now wholesale trade, almost a trade which is on a large quantity, that is a wholesale trade is there. It is related with the urban center, urban wholesale market as well as rural wholesale market. Then second, transportation. Almost in the we are discuss a transportation links in a different way. In this 12th syllabus, we can also discuss the transportation links like railways, then roadways, waterways, airways and pipeline transportation. Pipeline is also new form of transportation which is also used for the chemical transportation in urban area, almost industrial area, for the chemical transportation, as well as it is useful for the gas, natural gas transportation and mineral oil transportation. Otherwise we use the pipeline transportation for the water. Then third point, that is a communication. There is a postal services are important, telecommunication is also there, audio visual communication is there, internet and last satellite system is also there. In audio visual, there is the films, radio, TV and print media is important. And telecommunication, there is a mobile and landline. These are both important source for the communication. Through the communication, the trade and transportation is also very effectively developed. Then other services, in other services we can observe there is the tourism, then banking, insurance, real estates and personal and professional services are there, like a tuition. Then other services, we can say these are the personal and professional services are also there. In this way we can discuss a territory economic activity, and we discuss in this chapter these all types of territory economic activity, their important some factors which are also related with this activity, how they affect on the transportation, trade, communication and other services too. Okay, in this way we stop in this way we can finish the introduction of territory economic activity. In next video we discuss the territory economic activity, first territory economic activity, that is a trade. Okay, thank you.